So Team Colyer, Performance Engines against 178D of Ken Dixon. Well, you know, some tough luck for Ken, but at least he come out here, but a win's a win, right?
I'm gonna say, hell of respect for him to come out here, the situation he was dealt with, hate to be in that situation. He came out here and took that right to the chin, so.
All right, give it up for Team Colyer. Also give it up for Ken Dixon.